Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get annual report cover slide in PowerPoint. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up the PowerPoint application and then I'm going to search for annual report template. So here I'm going to go to the more themes and we can search for online templates and themes. For example, I'm going to search for annual report. Okay, and there will be some templates for us and we just need to choose the template that we like. And I'm just going to choose this one, geometric annual presentation. And then I'm going to click on this icon and I'm going to click on create. Okay guys, and now the template has been applied to the presentation, and as you can see, this is for the cover slide and we can edit the text here. For example, I'm going to name it annual report. Alright, and then we can move to the next slide. As you can see guys, that we're not only getting cover slide for the annual report but also the template for the content. Okay, you can just export this template and you can use it for your presentation. Okay, and that's all the way to get annual report cover slide in PowerPoint. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!